So I want to quickly talk about the customer portal feature in Housecall Pro. It's a great way to keep your clients informed of all their estimates and invoices in one spot that they can log into and check at any time. And there's a few ways to send an invite to them for them to be able to access the portal. So if you go to your customers, you can send invites in bulk. So if you just check mark them, if you select them, you can invite to portal. You can also click into the individual client profile and click send invite, or you can automate the process by going to settings and go over to the customer portal tab, and you can send these portal automations. So automatically send the customer portal invite email when a job is scheduled, or automatically include the customer portal login link in job invoice and estimate emails. Additionally, you can embed this code on your website so that your customers can go to your website and access the portal there as well. So this is a great way to give your clients the power to be able to see all of their estimates, invoices, and job details in one portal that they can access at any time so that you stay on the same page.